Hello and welcome to QuickVSL. Now this is still in beta, but I'm going to give you a walkthrough of how you can use QuickVSL to create, as you can imagine, quick video sales letters. So let's go ahead and start a new campaign from scratch. So there's a couple of things you can do over here. You can either create AI generated scripts, so you can answer a few questions right over here. Alternatively, you can paste your script, and that script will then be later used to create your video sales letter. Let me go ahead and answer some questions and I will show you the script that gets created. Okay, so I've answered everything and I'm just going to go ahead and click OK. What that then does is it creates the entire script for me to use. So let me show you once the script is ready. There we go. As you can see, the entire script is now written for me, but I don't want my slides to look like this, so I want to edit this a little bit. I'm going to use sentence case and I'm going to limit it to about 20 words per slide. Let's go ahead and update. And as you can see now, this has been broken down into multiple slides. But for some of them, you are able to change it as you want. So for example, you can change it to 25 and this looks much better now. If you want to, you can just go ahead and copy this into here. So let me show you what this would look like. Done. And obviously now we don't need that, so I'll delete this and everything gets synced up automatically. So my entire presentation is done. Let me just go ahead and edit this too. Done. Then once this is ready for you, what you can do is you can go ahead and click on next. When you click on next, you can choose one of the different templates that we have available, or you can upload your own background as well. Now in the future, we're going to do more dynamic templates as well, but for now you can pick the template that you want. I like this one because I like black text on white. It's the old favorite one that always works. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick this one. Once you do, click on next, and then you can see what your slides look like. So this is your editor. Let's just check this out as well. Now, typically I want the text to be slightly bigger size. So I'm just going to go ahead, select all this text, and I'm going to raise the size as well. Let's take it to 32. I think this is reasonable, and I'm going to apply this style to all the slides as well. So as you can now see, the text is a little bit bigger looking. You can change it more, so you can go ahead, for example, and you can change the, let's go ahead and you can change the colors if you want as well. You can go ahead and left justify it, any of those things that you'd expect from an editor. All of that is available here. You can of course now change the background too. But once you're happy with this, you can later choose to add intro and outro as well. In the future, you'll be able to put your logos and other branding materials on these slides. Now let's go ahead and click next. Now here's where the real magic happens. You've got a couple of different ways in which you can add the audio. You can upload your own from your computer, or you can record your audio right here, right now. But because I'm feeling a little bit lazy, a little bit efficient, I can also do text to speech. And we've got a few voices here where you can pick a voice and you can generate the entire script using that. So let me go ahead and pick a voice right here. This takes a few seconds, and once the audio is ready, you're able to sync it so that it plays perfect. This takes a few seconds, but this takes a couple of minutes, but once the audio is ready, you can sync it up with the slides as well, so it's all coherent and easy to follow. There you go, the audio is ready, and as you can see, this is about a 7-minute long VSL, which is amazing. And then I can go ahead and click on sync audio. This again takes a couple of minutes, and the audio is synced perfectly to the script as well. Now in the future, you'll have the option to also add background music that even we can provide, music that you can upload as well, and that's going to make it easy for you to create perfect video sales letters straight out of the gate. All right, so we are now good to go. I'm going to click the create button, and this will create the entire VSL for us. Now, just for fun, what I'll do is I'll make sure that you also can check out the VSL that gets created on this page. Now, I want to show you something else too. Let me go back to the dashboard. Within this dashboard, this is one of the previous videos that we have created. Once you create a video, you can check it out right here. You can play it, you can download it. You can also download the script, but you can also set it up as a VSL page. And this is typically what a VSL page looks like. You can customize it a little bit more, but this is your simple VSL page, a headline, the video, and a buy button that you can direct people to. Once you do this, you are able to very easily, very quickly get all the traffic that you want, and then convert them into buyers, and also track so that you're able to see how much traffic you're getting, how many sales you're getting, and so on. So this is the QuickVSL beta version, and as I said, more features are coming down the line, and you have an opportunity right now to get early access to this.